Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's update our view on euro currency. So as we suggested in the weekly report, the nearest destination point will be the confluence. On the daily chart, it's 107.55, 107.64. Market yesterday has tried to complete it or touch it, and actually it was successful, but unfortunately it quite can't reach the target of the butterfly that we discussed on 4-hour time frame chart. So, this is the moment actually in euro currency where we could start speaking about the weekly bread body trade. So those who read our weekly reports, analysis of the weekly chart, we suggest that it might be and probably will be great opportunity to take the tactical short position in euro currency, which is a bread and butter sell pattern. And currently the most difficult moment, since this is weekly chart and it has some degree of freedom for the price fluctuations from the points where it could start. It should be somewhere around this area, but position taking moment might be a bit difficult just because you have to catch the precise moment where market will turn down. And until this moment, market could start forming different patterns, forming some spikes and flirting around this area before the real action will start. That's our task to consider. So on the other markets, if we take a look at the dollar index, which actually also is coming to the confidence support. So euro currency already reached it. Dollar index is not quite reached it, but also mostly performance stands the same. On treasury bonds, market is forming kind of the hand and shoulders pattern. It means that with this upward bounce, if it will happen, of course. By the way, it's interesting, have we any grabbers? No. So it's interesting if it will happen. That will be supportive to retracement on the euro currency as well, because this will be increasing of the yields in the bond market. It always works like the headwind for euro currency and supports dollar. So that also creates some background for a possible bounce. On the lower time frames, that's the butterfly actually that I'm speaking about. We talked about it in the weekend. Market yesterday has shown this upward direction, but hasn't quite reached the level. I would say that from the technical point of view, it would be absolutely perfect for the bread body if market completes the butterfly around 107.72. And that might be right the pattern that will put the foundation, the starting point for action. But with this situation, the fact that market has not quite reached this target, it's a bit not very comfortable, because of just this kind of performance. So market has shown really very strong action to the 127, and right now somehow it can't reach the 1618. So it's a bit not quite natural, and here we should be ready for some surprises. In particular speaking, we should be ready for the moment that market could try to show another upward action, trying to complete the butterfly before maybe downward action will start. This type of action also could give us some pattern. For instance, it might be the hand and shoulders right there, because if you will measure the extension, so we probably will see that 127 will be approximately around the same area where the target of the big butterfly stands. So right, so you can see it's even slightly, sorry, it has to be right there. It's perfectly matched. So it means that here theoretically we should be ready for some performance to the upside, especially on this type of action. So on the hourly chart, we speak about the retracement, and we said for the short-term context, market has to stay above this area. Currently, you could see that nothing really serious has happened. So after the upward action, market shows downward, performance reached the first level. Now we see what will happen next, particularly speaking of this possible upward action in the euro currency. But in general, currently we're watching for a starting point of the bread body trade. So maybe here will be some different pattern will be for. Maybe we will get some kind of the garbage cheaper to sell if market will not be able to complete the target on the 4-hour time frame chart. But just keep your eyes open and see what's going on. Something tells me that this is not yet the starting of the bread and butter. So I think that we should get something, well, some more signs, some more evident background where it will start. The target will be around 106. So if market will show the spike, then target will be slightly higher. But in general, this is 106 areas. You understand? This is not bad potential for a position taking around 100, 150 pips. So it's not bad for any trade, especially if you have the good background for taking it. So that's what we have for the euro. Let's keep watching. Hopefully this week we will get some answers on our question.